name's Jeff from QualityDoor.com. QualityDoor.com supplies you with the commercial door hardware you need when you need it. And today we'd like to show you a Grade 1 lock, one of our best sellers. It's a 10G04 Sargent Lockset. So here we go. The Sargent 10G04 LL US 26D. The 10 stands for a 10-line lock. The 04 is the storeroom function. The storeroom function, you always need the key to get in. So the door closes, you need the key to get back in, but you can always get out from the inside in case anybody gets trapped in there. It's free passage from the inside. The L lever is straight with a return back in, so that meets ADA requirements for handicap. The L rose in the back is 3.5-inch diameter, and this comes in a US 26D brushed chrome finish, along with many other finishes. If you notice, the cylinder is one round hole, so this is a conventional cylinder. We stock these in LA conventional, as well as SFIC small format interchangeable core, as well as large format interchangeable core. These locks are great. They're some of our best sellers. They are tested for 9 million cycles per use, so they're great for schools, hospitals, institutions, and other facilities where you have high cycle per use. So there we are, the Sargent 10G04 Storeroom Lockset in stock at QualityDoor.com. We have a lot more videos coming out on Sargent. It's one of our premium brands we sell a lot of. Sargent panic devices, closers, lock sets, and other full line catalog of Sargent. We're going to be coming out with a lot more videos, so click below to subscribe. It's QualityDoor.com, providing you with the commercial door hardware you need when you need it. If you have any questions, just email us at sales@QualityDoor.com. Thank you and have a great day.